Hey plant people, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Leek and this is Happy Plants Grow, where we love on our houseplants and enjoy all things nature. So little birdie told me IKEA had houseplants in stock, and I don't know why, but I always forget about IKEA carrying houseplants. So of course I took the drive and had to find out for myself and see what goodies they had. Let me tell you, when I got to the plant section, my excitement level went through the roof. They had so many succulents and cacti. I almost bought one of those baby aloe, but I'm gonna work with the one I already had. More succulents and cacti. I caught the guy restocking the baby pothos, calatheas, the fiddle leaf figs, the dracaena, and the aglaonema plants. So that was pretty cool. I almost picked up a couple of those too. Y'all, I was pretty reserved in my spending. They had these cute little palms. I haven't had much luck with palms. It's a humidity issue. If you keep the humidity at a certain level, they'll do very well. I just gotta work on that. So I may try them again one day. Y'all, when I got to this section, I felt like I was in the jungle for real. Here's where they had the bigger plants and trees. Birds of paradise, giant snake plants, fiddle leaf figs, monstera, and 2 and 3 varieties of dracaena plants. Have you noticed most of these plants are easy care and great for beginning plant parents? This is the other side of the jungle section, as I pointed. And I must say the plants were very healthy looking and reasonably priced. And I'm probably gonna go pick up some more. So if you are a beginner plant parent or you just want a couple more easy care plants in your collection, I would say hit up your local IKEA and see what they have available. Well, that's it. I hope this was informative and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.